So Hispanic women lost $53.3 billion in wages compared to white men due to segregation by occupation and industry. You guys, I just came across this statistic by the U.S. Department of Labor, and this is the Women's Bureau. That is literally 53.3 billion reasons to start learning digital marketing. That way you can start earning money from home. We've got to take back our power and start securing our financial future. What can you potentially do? There's really not a lot that we can do to close that wage gap, but you can start fighting it. You can learn a new skill to start earning yourself 100% profit to close that wage gap. And you can do it from your couch. Have any questions, guys? I want you to know that the digital marketing program that I promote gives you all the tools and all the support you need to be successful. If you're new here, my name is Rose Pina. I am a college educator and a college advisor, and I recently came into digital marketing because I wanted some extra money to just get things that I want for myself. I never knew that digital marketing existed, but when I found it, guys, it blew my mind because this is an opportunity for any working mom to earn an additional $2,400 to $3,600 per month beyond their 9 to 5. Now, I would love to share with you the free blueprint that got me started, and I'm able to do it from my couch, you guys. Go to the website in my bio, plug in your email, and I'll get back with you. I'll see you later.